Okay, for this one, physical property. Yesterday, I already explained down the group 7, melting point and boiling point increases down the group. Okay, and then the enthalpy decreases down the group. Also, enthalpy of the hydrogen halide decreases down the group. There is an explanation for this one. So let me rewrite. Down group 7, melting point and boiling point increases. But the energy, but the bond energy decreases. Give explanation. Yes, let me ask to Yupin. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Yupin. So, what is the explanation?
Is it because the molecules become bigger?
MP and PP increase down group 7 because
intermolecular,
because of the stronger intermolecular forces. What is the intermolecular forces? What is the intermolecular forces in group 7? Yes, Yupin. Yes. Could not hear your voice. It is van der Waals. Okay, so stronger van der Waals down the group. Then the bond energy decrease. Because, okay, thank you Yupin for giving the about melting point and boiling point. Now for the bond energy, can I ask to Rich?
Yes, John.
Yes, about bond energy. Why is
The bond energy? Because of a bigger shielding effect, more shielding effect on the group.
Shielding effect. How about the nuclear charge?
Nuclear charge increase.
Nuclear charge
increase.
Increase. Are you sure? Decrease.
Maybe decrease.
Yes. Nuclear charge and shielding effect, their relation is antagonist. They cannot be.
Teacher.
Yes.
Okay, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Rich. Bond energy decreases. It is mainly because of intramolecular molecular forces, or it is the covalent bonding. Okay, so atoms that make covalent bonding. So it is different. Melting point and boiling point discussing about intermolecular forces, molecules, but bond energy is point of view of atoms. Okay, so please do not forget about from which point of view you should discuss about the melting point, boiling point, and also enthalpy or bond energy. Next, this physical properties about absorption. Is there any question? This one, absorption, we are not learning to detail what is the equipment being used and how does the equipment work. It is not in AS level and also not in A level. So what we need to know, the intensity of the color down the group increases. Reactions. Reactions, there are some reactions. Yesterday I already explained. There are displacement, reaction with hydrogen, and then thermal stabilities. Next, there is a reaction. There are some reactions also with silver nitrate and reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. Then there is a specific reaction, chlorine with sodium chloride in cold and in hot alkali. And then there is a manufacture and use of chlorine. Okay. Okay. So this one yesterday that we discussed. Okay. Now, is there any question? Jolene? Adeline?
No, not yet, teacher.
Not yet. Okay. How about Jeremy? Is there any question? Nico? Do you have any question, Nico?
Not right now, teacher.
Don't have. Don't have or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Jeremy?
Not yet, teacher.
Not yet. Have you made the PPT, Jeremy?
Still not done, teacher.
Still not done. Okay. Now let's discuss this one from worksheet 1. From worksheet 1, the compounds here, it has relation with group 7. Group 7, chlorine, chloride, bromide, and iodide can be distinguished from one another by the use of flame test. So the flame test here is the lithium chloride. The lithium chloride, it is, the color is red color. Okay, it is red flame. Then For the sodium is yellow flame. Then for the potassium is purple or pink. Purple or pink color. Explain the origin of the colors in the film test. The origin, it is come from the theory of transition metal. Okay. We know that electrons have energy. Subshells, electron subshells, subshell have energy also. This electron are able to promote it from lower energy subshell to higher energy subshell. When this energy or vice versa, okay, when electrons move, energy is absorbed in visible spectrum. Therefore, color is formed. So, if there is no color, if there is no electron moving, there will be no color. Example, in a dark room, in a very dark room. Why is it dark? Because there is no electron move. So when there is an electron move, we are able to see colors. That's why we need light. Okay. Next, these compounds can also be distinguished from one another by using concentrated sulfuric acid. State what would be seen when concentrated sulfuric acid is added to separate solid samples in each of these compounds. Lithium chloride. So lithium chloride, LiCl plus H2SO4. What would happen? What would happen? There is a formation. Let's see this one, the reaction of chloride with sulfuric acid, the formation of HCl gas. So LiHSO4 plus HCl. This HCl is fumes, in the form of fumes. Then sodium bromide, NaBr plus H2SO4. This one, yesterday we already have NaBr plus H2SO4 become NaHSO4 plus HBr. This HBr is also a steam. Okay, so this one forming a reddish brown fumes. Then for the potassium iodide, this one Ki plus H2SO4 becomes KHSO4 plus hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide is forming a bit yellow. Okay, it is a bit like purple color. Yellow is the precipitate. So this one purple fumes. Okay, right in good state symbol between solid. Oh, this one already. Okay, so refer to I. Okay, so this is the reaction. Wait, excuse me. Okay. Now let's continue with number this one. Is there any question until here? Can I ask to Hillary? Is there any question?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. Since there is no question, so now let's continue with this one. Okay. Number 2. Number 2, in this one, seawater contains aqueous bromide ion. During the manufacture of bromine, seawater is treated with chlorine gas and the following reaction occurs. Explain the term oxidation in terms of electron transfer. So let me ask to Nikki. Hello, Nikki. Are you there, Nikki?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What is the meaning by oxidation in terms of electron transfer?
Electron transfer.
Yes.
Uh, I don't really know.
Yes.
The electron lose form.
The electron is
Lose form.
formed. Hmm.
Form.
Okay. Oxidation is gaining electron or losing electron?
Losing.
Okay. Losing electrons. Okay. That's correct. Thank you, Nikki. And yes, thank you, Nikki. Now let me ask to Fania. Hello, Fania.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Fania, what is being oxidized in here, in this equation?
I think it's chlorine.
It is chlorine. Let me see. Are you sure? Bromine, bromide is oxidized from Br minus to Br2. Oxidation state increases from -1 to 0. Okay. Then explain the term oxidizing agent in terms of electron transfer. So oxidizing agent. For this question, can I ask to Kimi? Hello, Kimi.
Yes, teacher.
What is the meaning by oxidizing agent? Yes.
Is the oxidizing agent the one that receives the electron?
Okay. So oxidizing agent is a substance that causes other substance to oxidize. What is the oxidizing agent in here? Can I ask to Clarence? What is the oxidizing agent? Hello, Clarence. Hello, Clarence. Yes, Clarence. Oh, there is an answer. The chat box. Okay, but Clarence have not answered. Hello, Clarence. Okay, Jeremy already answered. It is the chlorine. Okay. State which of the elements, chlorine or bromine, is the stronger oxidizing agent, and explain the importance of this in the extraction of bromine from seawater as represented in the equation above. Which one is the stronger oxidizing agent? It is the chlorine is stronger oxidizing agent. Okay, it is the stronger oxidizing agent compared to bromine. Okay, and explain the importance. The importance. So because chlorine is reduced, therefore it can accept electrons from bromine. Then next, when sodium chloride 1 and NaClO is heated, sodium chloride and sodium chloride are formed, right? The ionic equation for this reaction. Sodium chloride is NaClO. Okay, sodium chloride 5 and sodium chloride. This one, when we make it into the ionic equation, we cross the sodium. So it becomes ClO minus. This one become ClO 5. It is the Roman number 5. It means 3 minus plus Cl minus. And this one, for the balancing, this one 3, oxygen is 3, this one 1, this one 2. What is the type of reaction is this? The type of reaction, can anyone tell? Maybe Jolene? Hello, Jolene?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Jolene, what is the reaction is this?
Is it disproportionation?
Disproportionation. Okay. Okay. Then what does it mean by disproportionation?
So one substance is oxidized, but then also reduced.
One substance is oxidized and it
Also
is
reduced.
yes. Okay. So disproportionation reaction. For Disproportionation. Disproportionation means one substance oxidized and reduced. During the process for the manufacture of iodine, the following reaction occurs. Reduce the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfur dioxide. For this question, can I ask to Natalie?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfur dioxide?
Or
Yes.
+4.
Yes.
+4, teacher.
Yeah. +4. Yes, correct. Thank you, Natalie. Then now let me ask to We Wish. Hello, We Wish. We Wish.
Yes,
Have you ever calculated the oxidation state of an element in atom in polyatomic ion? Hello?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. So this one is S plus -8. Where is the -8 come from? 4 times -2 equals to -2. So S equals to +6. Use your answer whether the SO2 has been oxidized or reduced. So this SO2 becomes this one, so it is oxidized. Name a reagent that could be used to confirm the solution that contains iodine is silver nitrate. And formation of yellow precipitate. Okay, so this one, our discussion of the first worksheet. Okay, then we continue again tomorrow. Good morning and thank you, students.
Thank you,